So on the screen, you can see I have created a file by name test_1. So it's a C++ file. That's why it has got .cpp extension. So we are using here dev C++ IDE. So if you have not installed this IDE, you can install it. And to create a file, you should go to File option, New, and then Source File, which will create a new file which will be untitled. And to save it again, you can again go to File, Save As, and select the Save As type C++. So like I'll show you again. File, New, Source File. So here you can see you got untitled file, which again you can save it. You can just click here save button, or you can go to File, Save As, and select the C++ source file here as the type, and you can name it. You can give your own name. So here I'm closing this new file. So already I have created and saved the file as test_1.cpp. Now let's write a simple C++ program. So which we have already seen yesterday, but here I'm again writing and executing. So first you should include IO stream. So this IO stream type will contain cout and cin, which are standard output and input respectively. So for using that cout and cin, which are present in IOStream, we include this IOStream type. And this IOStream type is present in the standard namespace, so for which we will be adding this next line, that is using namespace std. So in this std, that is standard namespace, we have got this IOStream type. That's the reason we are adding these two lines to our program. So this way, this is going to include IOStream type to our program, and then we will be starting the program with int main. So as it is a C++ program, the main return type we have taken int, because in C++ the ending of main function will be return 0. It returns some integer. That's the reason return type we have taken int. So by default in the dev C++, return 0 marks the ending of main. So no need of writing return 0 again here in dev C++ IDE. Whereas if you are using some other IDE like turbo C++ and all, then you need to write their return 0. So here now, to print hello on output screen, I am using cout. So cout is a standard output streams which is always used with insertion operator, which is nothing but two opening angular brackets. Now, after this, whatever we write in double quotes will be a string that is going to be printed on output screen. So here you can see cout hello I have written. After cout, you need to keep these two angular brackets, opening angular brackets, which are called as insertion operator, which inserts any string or whatever we write here after that on the output screen. So now execute, compile. Go to execute option and compile. So if any errors in compile log you will see. So we have got no errors or warnings. Then again we can go to execute and then run the program. So when we run, we get hello on output screen. So this is how we execute a simple C++ program.